Hi guys, it's Mrs. White. I tried to post a different story today, but my video was too long, so I thought I could do a bedtime story tonight. So tonight I'm going to be reading Steam Train, Dream Train. And this is by Sherry Dusky Rinker and Tom Lichtenheld. That's a cool name. So on the cover you can get some clues. You see all the animals on the train. And this, if you look, it's a wraparound. You can get it in the screen. There we go. It's a long train. Steam train, dream train. Through the darkness, clickety-clack, coming closer down the track. Hold your breath so you can hear huffing, chuffing, drawing near. What's coming? It's the train. A whistle blares out in the night, a mighty engine, wondrous sight. Though smokestack puffs, the big wheels grind, the trusty tenders close behind. Cling, clang. The bell rings out on top, hissing steam, brake squeal, then stop. The driver signals to the crew, each worker knows just what to do. Quick, before it gets too late, start to load up all the freight. Everything will soon be stowed, a train car matched to every load. What does the word freight mean? Yeah, that's what the train is carrying. The crew slides back the boxcar doors and tumbles in to start their chores. They whirl, twirl, cartwheel, jump, but cargo's stowed without a bump. Things that rock and roll and spin, all are juggled safely in. Wow, look at all that cool stuff. The freight is loaded as they play. They work and bounce the night away. Building blocks, erector sets, bikes and kites and model jets. The boxcars made to safely haul almost anything at all. The hopper's top is open wide, so cargo can be poured inside. The crew hops to it one and all. They get to work and have a ball. Then with a bounce, a pounce, a leap, 3 boys jump in and fall asleep. Tankers lined up in a row are getting filled with paints to go. Purple, yellow, green, and blue, a color convoy coming through. What's your favorite color? I like the purple. The reefer car is snug and cold. Its chilly boxcar can safely hold frozen treats for every stop, like a rolling ice cream shop. The train car's packed, the crew sits back and chills out with a midnight snack. I think that would be my favorite car on the train. What's your favorite so far? 10 hard workers lend a hand to fill the gondolas with sand. Sand for castles, moats, and more. Sand for tunnels, sand galore. Galore, that must mean a lot of sand. Stacked up on the auto rack, 6 race cars for a private track. Rainbow colors, flames and stripes, shiny engines, chromy pipes. The auto rack will gently keep these fast, fast cars, all fast asleep. This would be Cameron's favorite car on the train. The well cars carry giant beasts, munching on enormous beasts. Brachiosaurus likes the view, while T-Rex gets a bone to chew. I bet Jameson would love this page. The flatbed cars are rolling beds. The weary crew, they're tired, can rest their heads and settle in and tuck in tight. Their work is finished for the night. They are all comfy, cozy. The red caboose is last in line. From the lookout, all looks fine. The freight and crew are tucked away. The next stop is another day. A hiss, a jolt, a shift and sway. Now the journey's underway. The train's departing, car by car. The headlight fades into the stars. Puffing, chuffing, out of sight. Steam train, dream train. Shh. Good night. Look, it was in somebody's bedroom. That's a cool ending. I hope that you guys enjoyed my book tonight. I hope you had a happy Wednesday and keep working hard, listening to your parents and washing those hands. And I'll send you another video tomorrow. Good night.